Farm Owners Association of America encourages everyone to watch the full-length version of our context training presentation, but many small business owners are simply too busy to watch it in one viewing. So Team POAA is also making context available in 5 short episodes as a convenience to anyone who wants to learn some basic business law principles by exploring the context of our association's objections to a proposed settlement of 3 employment misclassification class actions. To be clear, if you're a current owner operating in California, Illinois, or Massachusetts, whether or not you want to opt in, opt out, or object to the proposed class settlement is a decision for you and for you alone. If you operate your business in any of the other 47 states, you may want to consider hiring an attorney or joining POAA and seeking permission from the court to intervene and object to the proposed class settlement for reasons we addressed throughout the presentation. Please, we encourage everyone to watch all 5 episodes. We're going to end the presentation today with a call to action. Call to action is simple. Know your rights. Ask a lot of critical questions. Is the proposed monetary relief good enough to automatically bind you to the new contract? Well, is the new contract actually better than the existing contracts? Protect your equity. Please help us raise awareness. Join the discussions. Attend our training workshops. Tune into our training videos. Become an active member of Pepperidge Farm Owners Association of America. Please remember the rules of small business. Big fish eat little fish. The devil's in the details. And in God we trust, everyone else gets verified. Remember that the Socratic method is just a fancy name for the simple but effective process of asking and answering a lot of questions to stimulate critical thinking and to draw out new ideas. It often involves questions that require the definition of terms, like fiduciary, the legal term that describes things involving trust, especially regarding trust relationships. Transparency is a key component of a fiduciary relationship. What is transparency? Openness, honesty, accountability. Socrates taught us to define terms because language is creative and extremely flexible, but inherently imprecise. Consequently, trying to ascertain the true meaning and intent of important contract terms and conditions, or the terms of a proposed class settlement, can be a very tricky business. Take the quote here. "I see," said the blind man to his deaf dog as he picked up his hammer and saw. Does the blind man really mean, "I understand"? Or is he being a jokester because he doesn't understand? Do you see? It depends on a better understanding of the context for his statement. What is the paradox of choice? Well, we've discussed this idea in previous workshops and presentations, but suffice it to say that many times less is more. And the paradox here is that the proposed monetary relief is fair, reasonable, and adequate to settle the wage-related claims, but the additional requirement to automatically bind current distributors to a new form of contractual relationship is not. Given the context, a proposed class settlement of employment misclassification class actions, given the context, less is more meaningful to current distributors than more in terms of the proposed class settlement. And that explains why Team POAA hired Fox Rothschild to help current distributors object to the proposed contract, but to support the proposed monetary relief to settle the employment misclassification cases.